Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Swapna's tutorial. So ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ 1 ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 9 is 7. The number 55 is 10% of what number? Third one, 25% of certain sum is 462.5. Find the sum. Fourth one, a machine listed at rupees 625 was sold at discount of 15%. Find the discount and the net price. Fifth one, an article costing of rupees 84 is sold for rupees 105. Find the gain percent. So ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನದು ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಒನ್, a reduction of 20% in the price of rice enable a man to buy 5 kgs more of rupees 300. Find the price of rice before and after reduction. Seventh one, if the income of A is 50% more than income of B, then what percent is the income B less than the income of A? Eighth one, in an examination, one has secured 40% marks to pass. A student gets 50% on fails by 30 marks. Find the maximum marks. Ninth one, a machine was sold for rupees 575. The amount was 8% below the market price. Mark price. Find the mark price. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನನ್ನ ರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು, ಬೈ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ rupees 160, I lose 20%. At what price must I sell to gain 10%? So 11th one, a manufacturer allows a discount of 10% on a catalog price of an article and still makes a profit at 8% on cost. Find the percentage of increase in the catalog price over the cost. What the catalog price of an article sold at rupees 198. 12th one, a broker charges commission 5% on all orders up to 10,000 and 4% on orders exceeding 10,000. He remits rupees 31,100 is claimed after the reduction of commission. Find the order amount. 13th one, a seller marked the price of an article by 20% and gave 20%. Find the percent did he lost in the transaction. 14th one, Mr. X sells his watch at 20% less. He had sold his rupees 4 more. He would have made a profit of 25%. Find the cost of the price of the watch. 15th one, a man bought 2 fans of rupees 1810. He sold one of them at the gain of 15% and another at the loss 8%, and then he then found that each fan fetched the same price. Find the cost price of a fan. 16th one, the price of the car is rupees 4,50,000. It was incurred for 80% of its price. The car was damaged completely in an accident and insurance company paid 90% of insurance. What short difference between the price of the car and the amount received? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಕೇಳೋದವರು. ಸೊ 17th one, 20 chairs and 15 tables cost rupees 575. If the price of the chair rises by 12% and what the table by 16%, their cost price increased by rupees 84. Find the cost price of the chair. 18th one, from the salary of an officer, 15% documented as house rent, 10% rest spends on the children's education, 10% balance he spends on clothes, and then he is left rupees 8,262. Find the total salary. 19th one, a salary is 40% more than B's salary, 30% less than C. If difference between the salary of C and A is rupees 1,200 rupees, what is the monthly salary of C? 21. Sohan spends 23% of an amount money and insured policy 33% on food, 19% on children's education and 16% on retention. He deposits the remaining amount rupees 504 in the bank. How much he spends on food and insurance together? ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ rupees 981 in the ratio 5:4. Second one, a bag contains 50 paisa, 25 paisa and 10 paisa coins in the ratio 2:5:3 amounting to rupees 510. Find the number of coins of each type. Third one, A's monthly salary is rupees 250 and B's annual income from land is 4,000. What is the ratio of their income? Fourth one, our income is rupees 250 and increased by rupees 550. If B's salary, which is 140, is B increased in the same ratio, find the B's increased salary. Fifth one, a company's yearly profit are found to have risen in the ratio 12:13. If the previous year the profit were rupees 13,800, find the profit this year. So next, sixth one, the income of A and B is in the ratio 4:3. Their expenditure is in the ratio 3:2. If they both save rupees 600 at the end of the year, find the annual income of each. Seventh one, two friends A and B started a business with an initial capital contribution rupees 1 lakh and 2 lakh. At the end of the year, the business made a profit of rupees 30,000. Find the share each in the profit. Eighth one, I invested of rupees 70,000 in a business. After a few months, B joined him with a 60,000 at the year end. The total profit was divided between in the ratio 2:1. After how many months did B join? Ninth one, salary of Ravi and Sumit are in the ratio 2:3. If the salary each increased by rupees 4,000, the new ratio becomes 40:57. What is Sumit's salary? 10th one, two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. If 9 is subtracted from each, the new number are in the ratio 12:23. The smaller number is. So ನೋಡಿ next. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್. ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಡಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 48, 36 and 4. Second one, the last three terms of a proportion are 8, 12, 16. What is the first term? Third one, if 3x 1083 are is to be continued proportion, find x. Fourth one, the salary of A, B and C are in the continued proportion. If the salary of B and C in respectively rupees 250 and 1,250, find the salary of A. Fifth one, it takes 3 hours to pump out 2,500 liters of water with a certain pump. What time will it take to pump out 15,000 liters? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಟ್ರಿಕಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಒನ್, 500 workers can finish a work in 8 days. How many workers will finish the same work in 3 days? Seventh one, if 20 men complete a piece of work in 12 days, how long will 40 men take the same piece of work? Eighth one, 16 men or 28 women can do the work in 40 days. In how many days will 24 men and women will complete the same work? Ninth one, if 10 men earn rupees 250 in 5 days, what will 7 men earn in 21 days? 10 if the cost of 15 kg of sugar is rupees 120, find the cost of 25 kgs of sugar. So next, if 10 horse can plow 12 acres of land in 15 days, how many horses are required to plow 72 acres in 5 days? 12th one, if rupees 80 maintains a family of 4 members for 40 days, for how long will rupees 210 maintain a family of 12 members? 13th one, if men working 8 hours day can do the work in 35 days, how many days will 21 men take in working 10 hours a day? 14th one, if 15 carpenters can earn rupees 1250 in 10 days, in how many days can 12 carpenters earn 750? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ 1 ಮೇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ 2 ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.